Okay, well, it is a frosty day here in north central Alabama, and this is my old 73 Plymouth Valiant, which you've seen in several videos. Got a series going on it right now, which is on temporary hiatus due to the cold weather, but it's called Body Work That Shouldn't Happen, and may not need to, but it's gonna happen. Or as we say down here in the South, it may not ought to, but it's going to happen eventually. Anyway, this car's been sitting here for a couple weeks and hasn't even been started, and so I try to run it periodically to keep the battery up. And so I think I'm out here working. I'm unloading yet some more stuff out of my storage unit. There's a car bumper in there that goes to that 63 O's. And then I thought, well, it'd be a good time to start this car up and let it run and all that. So that I will do as long as it will start. I hope the battery's got enough in it, because this car takes a lot of cranking to get the gas back up to the carburetor once it sits a while. So be a good test. So we'll see what happens. Let's get you set somewhere. Let me see. I don't like that view. Try this one. I need to make one of those things like our Peak's got, I guess. I don't like that view either. Oh, I don't like that view either. Come on. Well, I guess I could edit this out, but I don't think so. There we go. How about that? Okay, let's see what happens. Well, the smoking that it was doing before has stopped. That's just condensation. I don't know what caused the smoke clouds. Don't know what caused them to stop, and I'm glad they're gone. But it is cold out here. Yeah, that's just steam. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed a little bit of pumpage, a little bit of crankage, and she's a runner. See ya. Thanks for watching.